scientist once visited a temple. She happened to have a conversation with one of the pujaris at the temple. She asked the pujari,
Panditji, where is your God? Who is God? What is God? You pray to God, but actually there is no God.
Om Namah Shivaya. Madam, God is everywhere. God is in the sun, the moon, the stars, the birds, animals, and the frogs. God is in you. God is in you. How can you say that God is nowhere? You are a scientist. By now, you know that even science accepts the existence of God.
What? God exists? You must be joking. Science believes in matter, the physical world, the world of physics, biology, and chemistry. You people just do puja and you believe in God. You don't even know the meaning of God, but you all believe in God because you are escapist. You don't have any other way, so you believe in God.
Madam, many centuries ago, I know that science and spirituality were on the opposite sides regarding the existence of God. I am not an educated man, but when I read several articles and news using Google nowadays, I realized that science and spirituality are no more on the opposite sides. Now, science is in good agreement with spirituality.
What? Science is in agreement with spirituality? Which article did you read on Google? What nonsense are you talking about?
Madam, recently I came across a study. Some scientists were trying to study the smallest particle of molecule. They found that atoms could be further divided into electrons, neutrons, photons, and protons. Also, I read about the smallest particles called quarks. And in the study that I read, the scientists had mentioned that the smallest particles, when studied under the microscope, seemed to just disappear. The scientists were baffled about where this matter had gone. And then some scientists realized that matter had got converted into energy.
What? Matter becomes energy? Are you talking about the law of conservation of energy? That energy can neither be created nor destroyed, and it can only be transformed from one form into another.
Yes, madam, you are right. That is the law. If I am right, scientists now call this law as wave-particle duality, which was first embraced by Einstein. According to wave-particle duality, a particle can transform into a wave and a wave can transform into a particle. This is what our Upanishad says, madam. Our Upanishad says that everything is energy, everything is God energy. The body is an illusion, the mind is an illusion. I know science doesn't believe in the mind, it believes in the brain. But then today, suddenly science is now following spirituality. Science is in agreement with spirituality. I may not be right, madam, but you please study about it.
the scientist walked away, being upset with the pujari. But then, as humble as she was, she came back the next day.
Om Namah Shivaya, Shivoham Shivoham. Welcome, madam. I am happy to see you come back. I thought because you don't believe in God, you are not going to come back. I am happy to see you. Can I do some puja for you?
No, I didn't come to do puja, but I came to tell you that you are right. Science has discovered a new theory called wave-particle duality. You are right. Science now agrees that matter and energy are the same, and particles become waves. Do you know, Panditji? Science has proved one thing, that man is not matter. You and me look like this body, right? But actually, we are not. We are trillions and trillions of energy particles that together appear as you and me. And this is fantastic. I'm happy to know that despite being a pujari, you do understand that science is agreeing with spirituality.
Yes, madam. Upanishads are thousands of years old. They are the words of rishis. God sent a message to the rishis. It is said through intuition, through the superconscious mind, through the Atman. The Paramatman and the Atman are the same man. The soul within our body and the super soul are the same. When I get free time from the temple, I sometimes study all this with the help of Google. I am happy you found the right answer. What else did you find out?
Panditji, one more very interesting thing. You know the body cells? They completely die and new cells are formed instead, thus forming a new body, which means every 5 to 7 years our body is new. I was busy studying and I was in some other department. Therefore, I missed this discovery. But you are right. Science has progressed and science now agrees with spirituality. The body is a new body every 5 to 7 years. My lungs, my kidney, my bones, everything of mine is new every 7 years. Therefore, this is my fifth body, not my first body. So, you are right. We are the energy within. But Panditji, how can you say that the energy within me or you is God?
What else is it, madam? You are saying it is energy? When somebody dies, what do we see? The body dies. If the person is ignorant, the mind flies and it is reborn. But death happens when there is no breath. There is no breath when the soul departs. The energy departs, that is death. At death, we realize that we are not the body or the mind, but we are the energy. Science has agreed that we are the energy. Now, the only thing science has to do is to agree that energy inside us is God energy.
How can you prove that the energy is God energy?
Simple matter. You take a balloon, you blow air into it. When you leave the air in the balloon outside, where does the air go, madam? It mixes with the universe, right? Now, if you try to get the air back, will you get it? No. The air inside the balloon mixes with the air outside the balloon. So also, when we die, the energy inside us mixes with God energy, which is everywhere. Consciousness is everywhere. God energy is consciousness.
Very interesting. What you said is interesting. But I must congratulate you. You are a pujari and you are talking more science than a scientist. I must really appreciate you that you made me realize that today science is agreeing with spirituality. Science is following the same principles followed by the Upanishads thousands of years ago.
Om Namah Shivaya, Shivoham Shivoham. I am happy when the Lord has poured His grace upon you for you to realize that what the Upanishads had taught thousands of years ago. What spirituality said then, science agrees now. Now it is a time for the world to pray to realize that we are not this body, we are not this mind, and we are not the ego, but we are the energy, the Atman, the Prana, the soul. We are nothing but God energy. I hope the world realizes the truth and achieves eternal peace and happiness. That is the way it is called Nirvana, Moksha, liberation. Happiness comes by realization of truth, that we are God energy, not this body, not this mind. Om Namah Shivaya. Let us do some puja, madam. Tell me, what puja can I do for you?
Yes, sure, Panditji. Please perform the Moksha Puja for me. Thank you.
Shiva शिवोऽहम् ॐ नमः शिवाय शिवोऽहम् शिवोऽहम्